Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you step by step through assembling a manual breast pump and checking that it works properly before use. Let's start by looking at the main parts of the pump. First, we have the bottle. This is where the milk will collect. Next is the breast shield or funnel. This part is placed onto the breast. And finally, the handle, which creates the vacuum during pumping. Now let's assemble the pump. Step 1. Attach the bottle to the funnel. Make sure it clicks or locks securely. A tight connection is important to avoid air leaks, which can weaken suction. Next, install the handle on top. Check that it is positioned correctly and firmly attached. If the handle is loose or misaligned, the vacuum strength will not be effective. Now I will check that everything is working. Gently squeeze the handle. It should move smoothly and create steady suction. If you hear air escaping or notice weak suction, check the parts again to ensure everything is properly sealed. Now I'll demonstrate how to position the funnel correctly on the breast. Place the funnel so that the nipple is centered in the opening. The edges of the funnel should sit comfortably against the skin to create a vacuum seal. I'll show the position over my clothing for demonstration. Place the pump against the breast and begin with slow, gentle squeezes of the handle. This is what a normal pumping rhythm looks like: steady, comfortable, and controlled. If everything feels secure and the suction is consistent, your pump is ready for use. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, please support the video, and I will continue creating more simple and useful breastfeeding tutorials.